Chapter 2. Confidence Building Techniques. Building confidence is a process that takes time, effort, and consistent practice. It's not something that magically appears overnight. Rather, it's a skill that can be developed and strengthened through deliberate action. In this chapter, we will explore several techniques that can help you build lasting confidence from the inside out. The importance of confidence. Confidence is not just about believing in your abilities. It's also about believing in your worth. When you have confidence, you approach life's challenges with a sense of self-assurance, knowing that no matter the outcome, your value remains intact. Confidence helps you take risks, speak your truth, pursue your passions, and establish healthy relationships. It empowers you to live authentically, without fear of judgment or failure. However, confidence is often misunderstood. It is not about being arrogant or pretending to be perfect. True confidence comes from self-acceptance and the willingness to be vulnerable. It is the quiet assurance that you are enough, just as you are. In this chapter, we will explore key confidence-building techniques that can help you develop this authentic sense of self-assurance. 1. Start with self-awareness. The first step to building confidence is to know yourself. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. When you are aware of your strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions, you are better equipped to make decisions that align with your true self. This self-knowledge allows you to embrace your authentic identity, which is a key aspect of confidence. To build self-awareness, take time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Journaling is a powerful tool for this. By writing down your thoughts and experiences, you can gain insight into your emotions, patterns, and desires. Over time, this self-reflection will help you understand what truly matters to you, allowing you to make choices that reflect your values. 2. Practice positive self-talk. Your inner dialogue plays a critical role in shaping your confidence. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough or that you'll never succeed, your confidence will suffer. On the other hand, when you practice positive self-talk, you reinforce your belief in yourself and your abilities. Start by becoming aware of the negative thoughts that run through your mind. When you notice yourself thinking something critical or self-doubting, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought based on fact or fear? What evidence do I have that supports or contradicts this thought? Replace negative statements with affirmations that promote self-love and self-belief. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm terrible at this," replace it with, "I am capable of learning and growing." Affirmations such as, "I am worthy of success," "I trust myself to make the right decisions," and "I have everything I need to succeed," can shift your mindset and cultivate confidence. 3. Set small, achievable goals. Confidence grows with success, but success doesn't always have to come in grand gestures. Setting and achieving small goals helps build momentum and reinforces your sense of capability. By breaking down larger tasks into manageable steps, you set yourself up for success and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start with simple, achievable goals that align with your values and desires. These could be as simple as getting up 10 minutes earlier, completing a small project at work, or speaking up in a meeting. Each time you achieve a goal, no matter how small, you prove to yourself that you are capable and competent. As you gain confidence from these smaller successes, you can begin to tackle bigger challenges with a greater sense of self-assurance. 4. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful technique used by athletes, public speakers, and high performers across many fields to build confidence. By vividly imagining yourself succeeding in a given task, you can mentally prepare for success and reinforce your belief in your abilities. To practice visualization, find a quiet space, close your eyes, and picture yourself performing the task or achieving the goal you desire. Visualize yourself being calm, confident, and successful. Engage all your senses. What does the environment look like? How do you feel as you succeed? What sounds, smells, or sensations are present? The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more effective it will be. Studies show that visualization can actually improve performance by creating a mental blueprint for success. When you visualize yourself succeeding, you train your brain to expect positive outcomes and approach the situation with confidence. 5. Embrace failure as growth. One of the biggest obstacles to building confidence is the fear of failure. Many people are afraid to take risks or try new things because they worry about making mistakes or falling short. However, failure is not the enemy of confidence. It is the fuel for growth. Instead of seeing failure as something to be avoided, reframe it as an opportunity to learn. Every failure carries valuable lessons that can help you improve and grow stronger. When you fail, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And how can I use this experience to do better next time? Remember, even the most successful people in the world have failed at some point. It's not failure that defines you, it's your response to it. If you can bounce back from failure with a positive mindset, your confidence will grow. Over time, you'll realize that failure is not a reflection of your worth, but rather a stepping stone toward success. 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment plays a crucial role in your confidence-building journey. If you surround yourself with negative people who criticize or discourage you, it will be much harder to build confidence. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you, your confidence will flourish. Seek out relationships that affirm your worth and celebrate your successes. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to be your best self. These positive influences can be friends, family, mentors, or colleagues. Anyone who believes in you and supports your personal growth. It's also important to avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy or make you feel inadequate. Set boundaries with individuals who undermine your confidence and prioritize relationships that help you feel valued and supported. 7. Take care of your body and mind. Confidence is not just about mindset. It's also about taking care of your physical and mental well-being. When you feel good in your body and mind, you naturally feel more confident. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating nourishing foods, and exercising regularly. Physical activity is especially important for boosting confidence because it releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that improve mood and reduce stress. Equally important is caring for your mental health. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or relaxation techniques to manage stress and anxiety. When your mind is calm and focused, you are better able to approach challenges with confidence and clarity. 8. Celebrate your wins. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small, and take time to appreciate your efforts. Celebrating your wins helps reinforce the belief that you are capable of success, which in turn builds confidence. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Recognize the hard work you've put in and the growth you've experienced. This celebration of self is not about being boastful. It's about honoring yourself and your journey. Conclusion. Building confidence is a lifelong process, but the techniques outlined in this chapter can help you take the first steps toward a more confident, empowered life. Confidence is not about perfection. It's about self-acceptance, growth, and the willingness to take risks. By practicing self-awareness, positive self-talk, setting small goals, embracing failure, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can begin to cultivate a deeper sense of self-assurance. Confidence is not about perfection. It's about self-acceptance, resilience, and action. By applying these techniques consistently, you will gradually develop unshakable confidence that empowers you to lead a more fulfilling life. Next step. Start today. Pick one technique and integrate it into your daily routine. Over time, you will see remarkable transformations in your confidence and overall well-being.